In question number 19, we have to do some tasks regarding to question set 18. So in question set 18, we created a database and several tables and insert the data to those tables. So in question number 19, we should use the database that we created in question set 18. The first question in question set 19 is, two new students have admitted to grade 11 of this school. Their details are listed in the table below. Enter that information in the student table. So we have to add this information in the student table. So we can use the HeidiSQL and we can write insert into exam marks db dot student. So we can write the column names. Column names are index number, first name, last. So this index number, first name, last name, gender, contact number, class ID. So we can add the values. So the index number is STU09. First name is Amandi. Next is last name is Singha. Gender is female. Contact number and class name is 11. It means 1. So if I run this and go to the data of student table, so there should be a student called this. She is the Amandi, which is in the female with this one. And the next one is the next. So we can edit this. Okay. Natasha. Gender is female. Phone number is the same. And the class is the color. So if we run this, so we added the next. So let's move to second. Index number student STU004. Student last name should be changed to Moses. Right? So the problem is, I write here the column name. I should write the table. So that's how we select the table. So update student from and we should remove this from statement because that's not in the syntax. I messed this up a little bit. Now that should be correct, and if I go to student data and select fourth one, here it's Amanda Tilavaratne, it should be changed to Moses, Amanda Moses. So here we go, it has changed. Now the next question, Natasha Vimalasena, student contact number should be changed to this one. So update student set contact number. So we can change the contact number to the given one to this where they have given the first name and last name. So we should use first name is Natasha and we should use and close because we have the two conditions, and last name equal Vimalasena. So before running the code, let's see what's her number. Natasha Vimalasena number is ending 5215. So it should be changed to another one. So let's run this query and check the data. See here is the list. When we refresh it, it should be changed. It didn't change because Natasha. So I have written the name incorrectly. So it should be Natasha. And now if I run the query, it should work. Because no, I should change the name. I should still change the query because the question is wrong. There's no one named Natasha Vimalasena in the table. There's Natasha. So I changed the question here and I changed this one Natasha. Now it should change. So it's 5215, and if I refresh it, it's 446 is the given number, so it's correct. Now again they have given the wrong name, so I write. So in the question set 18, they have given they haven't given because we added that student from here. Now Natasha goes into transfer school. Natasha Vimalasena transferred school before the first time accident, therefore remove the information about the student from the student group. Now again they say us to remove her from the database. So we'll go exam DB. So I can delete from, I should write the table name. So we should name delete from the student table. Now the condition where the first name is Natasha and I missed the variations here, and the last name is Vimalasena. So Vimalasena, and to this command we have the connection equal. So let's run the code. We have an error. First name Natasha. There's the error. So when I remove the use statement, I only ran it and it worked. So if we go back to the database and see here's the data, and if we refresh, the data has been moved. Okay, and now let's go to the next question. find out the details of all the students in the school. So we can write to select all from exam marks b dot student table, and we get all the data. So we got all the. And the next question is find the marks of mathematics subjects of all students in the first term. So we should select the marks from mathematics or from all the students, but in the first term. So for that we should use join queries. To do that, select exam marks db dot student. We should inner join we should inner join. We should take the subject. So we will take subject table. So how we are going to inner join this? We will use in student table there is we don't have, which we haven't, so we should use not student table, instead we should use student exam mark record table. So because we have, so we should link this one. So that means select, so this code is complete wrong. We should select what they have asked us is marks. So marks is from we should join student table. So I delete all the query I wrote and I'm going to write it again. So in this question, they ask find the marks of mathematics subject of all the students in the first term. So to do that, we should use join query. So I write select, what they are asking to select is mark from student exam mark record, because in student exam mark record the marks are stored in the mark table. So I write the join query now. Inner join. So first we should find the subject. So I write exam marks db dot subject table subject on, which condition we use that the subject ID of student exam mark record table equals subject ID on the subject table. So we write student exam mark record subject ID equal subject tables subject ID, and we should find the term also. So I'll inner join another table, inner join exam marks db that inner join exam marks db is exam turntable on student exam mark record tables term ID equals exam term tables term ID. So now I will give the condition where so they have asked for mathematics in the first term. So subject name is mathematics, and we should find the term also, and term name is first term. So let me see exam mark there's so exam mark DB so there are some small error. So it's exam marks DB, but earlier I cut and paste on this, so there's the error I didn't. So we're having 50 80. So let's see. So the subject ID should be maps subject ID should be 1, and term ID should be also 1. So let's see, 50 and 80 we have got, that means 50, the next one is 80, the next one is 78.2. So let's see, 74. So that's the answer is correct. So let's move to the next one. Find the marks obtained by all the students in the first term in singular and in single language and literature subject. So the same query we just have it. First term, instead of mathematics we can write singular language and literature. So this is single language. So we get 78.6 or 75. Let's see. Single language means the subject ID should be 3 and the term ID is 1. So the subject ID should be 3. If we go to the data, subject ID 3. 78.6 correct. Subject ID is 3 and term ID 1 makes 75. So that's the answer, and it also correct. So what is correct? The next one is Amandi Vijay Singh entered another school from his school before the first time examination due to receiving a scholarship. Therefore, remove the information of the student from the student table. So we should remove one. So we should write a delete code. Do this. Do that. Rewrite. Delete from student. Their first name is Amandi and last last name is Vijay. So before that, we'll go and see if she's there. Yeah, so after and the query student 009 should be deleted. So I run it now and I refresh this. You can see this will be deleted. So that's all for question set 90. Thank you.